happy Monday, and today we are going to do the first impression of the very beautiful duo. I know many of them got along with me, so they have already tried it. So now only I got time to do my first impression. So it's such a fun set. If you're even a first time Lipson's user, this will be perfect because here you get a color of your a color, a gloss, and the remover free here. So here we had a golden berry lip color as the Lipson's color, and huckleberry gloss and the free whoops remover when you buy as a collection. So here this is like a mauve pink, I would say mauve pink lip color, but it has a golden shimmer to it. Here it is a berry pink glossy gloss. You can see how pretty it is. So this is the first impression I'm going to do. So these are full size glosses and full size lip colors. So they are 25 and 20 each, so it's 45 for the whole set, but you get the whoops free. So I will be doing the huckleberry first because that way I can remove the gloss, and then let's do golden berry with the glossy gloss, and then we'll top it with the huckleberry again. This gloss, even in the bottle, it looks so pigmented and so pretty. Reminds me of what's like I wish there is a lip color in this. I don't think we have something similar. We do have colors closer to this, but I don't think we have the exact shade in a lip color. I wish it comes in a lip color too. So this is huckleberry gloss. And one thing I forgot to mention is it has a berry tinted, what is it, like flavored or not flavored, scented. It's very scented. So when you apply, you will be able to feel the berry scent actually. So this is huckleberry on its own without any any Lipson's color. You can see it's nicely pigmented and it shows up very nicely on our skin tone. I think I have always talked about it. Having a nude pink or icicle under this would really make this gloss to stand out on its own. For example, if you want the color to be on its own and stay longer, because this will smudge or get absorbed, but when you top it on a Lipson's color, it is going to stay more. So picking a color like nude pink underneath, even just one layer of it, and then top it with huckleberry, you are good to go. It will look really nice. So that's the one I'm wearing as of now. So let me take the picture and let's do the golden berry. I don't feel like taking out this color itself. It looks so pretty. I'm using a makeup remover wipe, that way I don't have any of the gloss color left. I always, whenever there is a collection, I always start with the gloss, that way I can remove it and then do the color. That way you can see them individually and also together when they are worn on together with the gloss and the same color. And but my first impressions are always with the glossy gloss. Now let's do the golden berry. This is going to be your perfect everyday shade. If you liked Amore and Bellissima, I would say it's in between. That is how it looks in the tube. So I'm going to do the only difference is here you have like a little bit of like a frost shimmer shade going on, whereas those two are matte colors. So let me do my 3 layers and seal it with glossy and then come back and show you the color. So this is golden berry on me with just glossy gloss. You can see it's such a pretty everyday shade. The consistency is I would say like the older colors, because sometimes the newer colors will mention it as a sheer color. That means they are very thin, like a watery consistency. That way you will have even Amore or Bellissima. I think you can even go with 3 or 4 layers, because since they are very thin, it allows you to do that. This is, I feel like this is, since it has that golden frosty look, it is little bit thicker consistency when compared to those. So this is just 3 layers of golden berry with glossy gloss. As you can see, it's a pretty very well, you can carry it with any outfit, because it's like a neutral, like how we say Bella and all. It is like it can work for any skin tone, and it's so light. So for people who doesn't like any bold shades, this will be a really nice choice for them. because it's like a very light tint of pink, but it's at the same time it's so subtle. It's not like too flashy pink. So that's the one. Let me take my pictures and then let's top it with the Huckleberry gloss. So as you know, I already topped it with glossy gloss. If you want, you can wipe it off a little bit for a matte look, or anytime when you do matte gloss, it's my personal preference. I like to top it with glossy gloss for few seconds before I go ahead with my matte gloss, because that way I feel like it gives that moisturizing feels even though we do matte. And here I'm going to do Huckleberry. Basically you can do any pigmented gloss over this. As I said, since it's a very neutral everyday shade, it will carry that color. This will obviously change the color because this is a really pigmented one. Do you see the difference? It's neutral, whereas this is more of a it changes it to more pink. And anytime you can, this is just one layer. If I want it to be more prominent, I can top it one more layer. So here it's always the freedom is on yours. Like you can go up to 2 or 3 layers, or you can stop it with this. I wanted to top it 2 because that way you can see the difference between just the color and the with the Huckleberry gloss. I was saying how you can wear what is it, like a nude pink or nude underneath. This color is perfect actually. So any Bellissima or colors that are very close to your lip color, you can choose that and just top it with a gloss like this. So you have two different looks, one with glossy and one the day you want more brighter, you can obviously do with Huckleberry. So hope you like the first impression. I know many of you already grabbed it and they all got it already. So I had many of them post the pictures here. If you still want to grab the collection, always let me know, and you can grab them individually too. So if you just want the color or the gloss, you can grab them. When you buy as a collection, then you get this beautiful pink bag along with the free oops remover. So the choice is always yours. Have a wonderful day, guys.